afternoon and welcome to my channel. Sharon here. Thanks very much for visiting me. Today I'm doing a design team project for Bontik Vintage Designs. I've got his Halloween pumpkins, whimsical Halloween pumpkins kit, and I'm going to do an envelope journal. These are the gorgeous pages. I didn't need them double-sided as they'll be going on to envelopes, but they're certainly very different. I love that one, and that one, and that one. Oh, and that one. See, he's a bit scary. These are gorgeous pages, and he has various other kits for Halloween there as well that you can get. So that's the pages, that's the double pages, the combined ones. These also come in A4 individual ones as well. And then there's the ephemera I've got, which I have made slightly bigger. This is the envelopes and some tags, and which you can make pockets, side tucks, all sorts of things. These are journal cards. This is the original size they print out. You can see here. And then I've made them slightly bigger as well, as I'm going to be having pockets and things for things to go in. This is another set of tags and labels here. Oh, I keep going around the wrong way. And then some what he calls ATC cards, but all of these I've made bigger, along with the circles. And then these are bookmarks. Now, what I plan is a envelope journal using these craft envelopes. I've got 12 of them, and to start off with, I'm going to be gluing these, and I think I'll use my tacky glue. I'm going to be gluing these inside of each other, if that makes sense. So you just glue in and slide this into here. Leaving a small gap here and here so that you can close comfortably. Just need to make sure I'm not gluing the envelope down in any way. There. And here. So what you then do, this will be my front, oops, this will be my front cover with this coming over like that. And I also have to make sure that I'm straight. Not that envelopes are straight anyway, are they? So it can be a bit difficult. That's a little bit skew with, but then again, that's a little bit bigger. Then you take another two that you glue together like this, and you glue this to here like that, and you carry on gluing these to there. Now, before I do carry on with that, I do want to ink round my envelopes. Well, I've inked in walnut stain around all my envelopes, and I've glued the two together as I showed you earlier. Now it's connecting them all. This is my front, so now I need to put this onto here, and for that I'm using my tacky glue. I've got a new pot to put all my glues in, if you want to call it that. They used to be just sitting on the desk, and I was forever knocking them over. So I bought myself the other day a new sort of 3-compartment pot for me to put them in. Now, to do this, you have to, where are we? There. Bear in mind, we are going to cover this. but you have to do it in stages, because what I've found is as I glue them, you need to put some clips on here to make sure these glue together. So I do a couple at a time and then glue them and then put the clips on. So I will now carry on with gluing all these on. So these are all glued together now, and what I've done is I've cut all the papers ready to be glued on, and I've marked on here, I've numbered them all so I know what's going where. And one of the first things to start off with is on this page, I'm going to open up the top here and open the top here so that I can put a pocket in. So I'm just taking a very small piece off the top. And what I do need to do is just glue this bit down here. There. And there. Now there will be paper over this that will be glued around on here, so this will form the pocket. Then I'm going to open here up the side here, and again what I'll be doing is gluing down here so that they can be opened up and it creates a pocket. Now also I've done here all the papers, and what I've got is this one to go on here, so, and this one on here, and this one onto here. Okay, so I've done that. When it's dry, I may just have to do a bit of trimming. Now here, I want the pockets here, so I'm going to need to open these. For this, I've got that one, and I did mean to say I've also got these papers from the Digital Collage Club. It's their new kit. This will coming out in September, it came out in August. Is their grungy papers, which the orange ones went so well with this as a plain paper for writing on. Goes so well with this kit. Now, one of the other things you need to do is also get, I think I'll try this one. Now, I'm going to want to put them down like that. So I'm just eyeballing it in the middle. Approximately. Let's go a bit deeper. But it does mean when I glue them down, they will be opposite each other. And for this, I just need to glue, around the edges. So I will be gluing along here, making sure I've got it down there. Definitely. So that's like that. And I'll be doing a wrap around and some lace down the sides here. Now I've just got to get on and put all the rest on. Okay, I've put all these down, and I've done the journal cards for inside here as well. One of them here, just quite straightforward. And then I've done the journal cards for the sides, and I've put a grommet on the side. Now I've put some of my labels on places. What I've got is I've made a card for the front here that's going to go on there like this with the wraparound. I'll leave that to the side for the moment. And I put one of my labels on there. Oh, and I've done the cards for inside these here. So I've got some ephemera I want to stick on. I've done that. So for that, I've got these two little pieces of ephemera tags I've made from the kit. These are actual tags from the kit, so's this. As obviously I'm showcasing the Halloween pumpkins. I've got a pocket here, and this had a back to it, but I've taken it off, and I've decided to stick this down on the side here. This is quite a few days later, so I'm trying to get this. We've gone through the weekend now, and it got quite nice and cool last week with the thunderstorm, but this week it's gone hot again. And I know I'm moaning, but I shouldn't. I am going to do a barbecue. I think it will be the last one. We're in September now. I think it will be the last one, but we'll see. Put that on there. And then what I've got is a couple of tool tags. Well, they're bookmarks from the kit, but I've just made them into some tool tags like this. There. Then I've got, oh no, I know I've got a card for here. This one, and I put a label on. And then I've done an uptuck there where I've made a couple of tags. Again, these are like ATC cards, he calls them. Anton calls these ATC cards, so I've just made an uptuck there. And then what I've got here is a belly band pocket. A belly band pocket, I've just done a belly band. Is a side tuck. Honestly, I've got to get my words right. I haven't done any over embellishing, and you do have lots and lots of space to journal here. I'm just putting them down there. And for that, I've made another journal card to go there. Now this, I've inked. Oh, I've got a small one as well. I think I'm leaving that there. That's going in the other pocket. I've I've gone round in gold, Inca gold, around the sides on these journal cards. And then I have a bottom pocket here, which again I'm going to put down with art glitter glue. It's in front of me and I can't even remember it, which I think is I need to top up. I think it's running out. So I thought that went quite well there, in the middle. Like that. And for this I've got one large card one smaller card. And what I'm going to do is a flip through of all of it, but just put it to music because you've seen most of it done. Oh, I have one other bit here. Is some lace I'm going to put over the top here. Whoa! And for this, I'm going to use my block or like Fabri-Tac. This just covers up the envelopes you've got there. And so I just want to see where I want to put it. Yeah, I think that's all right. I need to glue that down. Oh, get it straight. So that's all down, and now what I just need to do is leave that to dry.